Yo, what's up? This is Jared Tiller from To Stay in Shape. Alright, so I know that I have not been posting a lot of videos in the past few months, but guess what? I'm back and I'm ready to show you some home exercise routines that you can perform in the comfort of your own home, alright? So in this video, I'm going to show you what I have been working on and the type of exercises that I have been doing that I'm very proud to show you, alright? Let's take a look. Yo, have you seen those exercises? It looked easy, but it took me many weeks to perfect those exercises, all right? I really hope you like those type of exercises. Keep in mind that I'm going to be posting more exercises for you guys, right? Because I know that you want to lose weight, you want to get a six-pack, and you've been waiting for me to give you some exercise routines that you can perform. All right, so make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you enable that bell notification, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace.